Hello and welcome to GenesBibleStudy.com. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download Genes Bible Study. The downloaded version of Genes Bible Study doesn't work with iPhones. The downloaded version is meant for desktop computers and laptop computers. The first thing we do is click on the download button. We read the information here, and when everything seems okay, you click on the Genes Bible Study. Currently, the download is 18.9 megabytes. So then you just click on Genes Bible Study, and it downloads for you. And if you're on a laptop or on a desktop computer, it's going to automatically download to your download folder. And where that is, you click on Folders, Downloads, and here it is right here. The first thing you have to do, because it is a zip file, meaning that it is compressed, you have to decompress it. And the way to do that is you right-click on the file. What you're looking for is managing compression files. So we have all these options, and the one we want is to extract files. And if we say extract here, that's exactly what it'll do. But if we select this one, extract files, it's going to ask you where you want the files extracted. But we want them extracted right here, so we're going to click on extract here. And immediately it begins extracting the files. And so here's the zip file, and here is the zip folder that resulted from the extraction. And what we do now is we could go to the left pane in Windows Explorer and click here for the folders, and here we have Genes Bible Study, the folder, and we click on that, and here are all the files and folders, and we're looking for this one right here, index.htm. And we double click on this. And now we're using Genes Bible Study offline.